President TG, Secretary Ambika, members of Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom. Warm Innerville greetings to all of you. Today I am vested with the very pleasant task of inducting a new member to our fold. Before I go to my task, let me congratulate Priya and team for the excellent work they have done during the last year in the banner of Innerville. And I wish TG, Ambika and team all the very best for a very purposeful and promising Innerville year ahead. Now let me go to my task of inducting a new member. A new member, Mrs. Tara Nair, is joining our fold today. Tara, for your understanding, I will tell in a nutshell what Innerville is all about. Innerville is world's largest women's voluntary service organization spread over 108 countries. The mottos, the objects of Innerville are friendship, service, and international understanding. Friendship because it is the magical power of friendship that keeps us together, brings us together, and that only is leading to yeoman service to the society. International understanding because we are an international organization spread over all over the world. I will tell you about the hierarchy of Innerville also. At the international Innerville level, we have got a president, international Innerville president. When we come to India, Association of Innerville Clubs of India, it has got a president, association president. When we come to the district, our district number is district 321. We have got a district chairman. And when we come to the club, we have the president to lead from the front. But when we look at the emblem of Innerville, there is a small dot in the middle of the wheel. What does that mean? What does that represent? It represents all single individual members. Every member is important because the wheel of Innerville is rotating around a single member. So we are extremely happy that Tara is joining Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom. For administrative convenience, the Association of Innerville Clubs in India have divided the entire India into different districts. So our club, the Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom, falls under district 321. It spreads from Kottayam in Kerala to Trichy in Tamil Nadu. So we are extremely happy, Tara, that you are joining our fold, becoming a very important dot in the middle of the Innerville emblem. You are getting the right, the privilege to be a member of world's largest international voluntary service organization for women. When you get that right, that privilege, you have got some duties also. The most important thing I want to tell you is that you should have interest, you should take interest in the activities of the club. Attend the meetings, go for service projects, then only you will be able to go into the grid. Actually, Innerville, the service organizations have got a grid. When you fit correctly into the grid only, you will develop interest. You will have passion for that. So for that, you should attend and you should accompany the president, secretary and the team for all the service projects and be of help to them. I am sure you will be an asset to Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom and for Innerville movement at large. TG, your president, Secretary Ambika, and the members of Innerville Club of Trivandrum Blossom will welcome you with open arms. And I am very sure they will extend their warmest of friendship with you in the years to come. So I, Shailaja Pankaj, past district chairman of Innerville District 321, is really happy to induct Mrs. Tara Nair to Innaville Club of Trivandrum Blossom, which falls under Innaville District 321. Hearty welcome, Tara, and wish you all the very best as the member of Innaville Club of Trivandrum Blossom, and I am very sure that you will take up leadership in the years to come for the Innaville Club of Trivandrum Blossom. And I am extremely happy that we are getting one more member. Actually, in this pandemic year, getting a member is inducting even one member is very great. So congratulations to TG and team for finding a very capable all-rounder to join you today. Today, one member after 1 year's leave is joining back. That is none other than our chirpy, bubbly, the integral part of Trivandrum Blossom, our Karthika Nair. I didn't even know that she has taken leave last year. Whatever, she has come back rejuvenated after 1 year's rest, and I'm very sure that she will be able to do much better in the current year under the leadership of TG. And during lockdown, she was very, very active, experimenting all culinary skills. And maybe we can expect 1 or 2 cooking demonstrations, maybe in Zoom, for the members of Trivandrum Innaville clubs. Once again, wishing all of you all the very best for a promising Innaville year. God bless my friends. Thank you.